Okay, welcome to this tutorial video, lesson 3.7, dealing with percentiles. Now, if we pretend that these here represent the marks on a various tests, and let's say that you also scored an 82, which means that you've got 10 students in your class plus yourself for a total of 11 students, and two of you got 82% on the test. We want to know what sort of ranking we have here. So what we're going to do here is simply take how many students are below us, and that is these 7 students which are below us, right? You have 7 students below, plus half the equal scores. Now, there are 2 equal scores here. That is 1. So we're going to take 7 students plus half of the equal scores, which is 1. And we're going to then divide that simply by the total number of students, which in this case is 11. So you have 7 plus 1, which is 8, divided by 11, and that gets you a decimal place of 72.7. We round 0.727. Multiplying that by 100 gets you the percent of 72, and we're going to actually rank that up, and you will now be in the 73rd percentile. What that means is that you have done better than 73% of the students in your class. So taking a look at the percentile formula, B here is simply the number of people which sit below your score. E represents the number that are exactly the same as your score, and N is the total number. So when we take a look at any set of data, we're going to have to calculate how many are below, how many are exactly at, and we take half of them divided by the whole number. So what if we happen to have only ourselves with that particular value? Let's say, for example, times it takes to complete a test, you have 20 minutes, 22 minutes, 24 minutes, 27 minutes, 28 minutes, 30 minutes, and 32 minutes. And you completed the test within 30 minutes. All right, you're the only one who actually completed the test within 30 minutes, which means E has a value of 1. Well, we still go through the same formula. How many were below? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 were below, plus 1/2 times 1. Just put that in brackets there. Divide by the total number, in this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you've got 7. You're going to take this 5 plus 0.5 and divide it by 7. That gets you 0.785. When you multiply by 100, you actually find yourself in the 78th percentile.